So hi, hello and welcome. I'm Oliver, Microbehunter here. I just want to make a short follow-up video to yesterday's live stream. I included the link below because during the live stream, I made a couple of permanently mounted slides, primarily of feathers, peacock feather, for example, but also fur of various animals. I remounted some of the slides and I mounted the fur and the specimens in U-Pearl mounting medium, which takes approximately a month or 2 months to completely dry out. And during that time, the slides have to be stored horizontally. And one thing that I did not show you during the live stream is how I actually store those slides during the drying process. What I've got over here is this basically slide box made of cardboard. I'm going to go up a little bit here, which basically is a little bit different in the sense that it allows me to store the slides horizontally, right? So there is the space of you can put 20 slides in those containers. Container is probably the wrong word. Those cardboard sleeves or boxes or however you would like to call that. It's not airtight, of course, and therefore it gives the solvent enough possibilities to dry and to escape from this folder here. That's the correct term. A slide folder, not a container and not a box, obviously. I just wanted to show that to you, and obviously, once the slides are completely dry, then of course I can still put them in here, and then I can stack several of them on top of each other, and then maybe I can even consider making a separate, now real wooden box, which is able to store several of those folders here. I just wanted to share that with you as a possibility to store the slides in a dust-free environment. Before I say goodbye, let's just have a look at one of those slides here. It's not completely dry yet, but cat fur, that's the specimen I quickly would like to show you. And here we go, and you can see a dense network of cat hair of various thicknesses and lengths. And as I just mentioned, they were remounted from old set of microscope slides that I bought around 2 years ago. So they were not really old in that sense, but at least they were not of very high quality. And so for this reason, I decided to remount them. And this is basically how they look now. And basically I'm going to now keep them also stored away in this folder for the next couple of weeks. For me, that's all I would like to share with you today. Happy microbe hunting as always. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.